In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 things I wish I knew when I first started my online coffee mug business. That would have saved me lots of headaches, time, mistakes of making my mugs over and over again. But before we get started, if you're new here, my name is Lala, and Derek and I created this channel, DIYMugBiz, to help others build their own highly profitable online coffee mug businesses from scratch. And if you're thinking about starting your own online coffee mug business, I do have my ultimate DIYMugBiz programs for beginners. I'm going to go ahead and put that in the description below and also in the comment. And in that program, I'm going to show you how to start your own online coffee mug business from A to Z. And if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. All right, guys, let's get to the video. Number 1 of our 5 things I wish I knew before I started my online coffee mug business is rinsing your mugs before you start putting your image on it. The reason why is because when these mugs gets delivered to you, well, there's dirt and there's lint or whatnot that's on there. So you want to make sure that your mug is clean before putting the image on it, because it will definitely get burnt onto your mug. So go ahead and rinse your mug with water, and after you rinse it, make sure you dry it with an old rag or old cloth. The reason why I say old rag or old cloth is because there's not lint on there. If you're using a new cloth, well, you don't want to leave the lint behind on your mug, because that would definitely get burnt onto your mug also. So after drying your mug, then go ahead and put your image on there, because now you have a clean cup that there's no dirt, no lint that's on there. Let's move on to number 2. So number 2 is, before you start using your mug press, make sure you clean off your heating element. And the heating element is the part that you put your mug in. The reason why you want to clean it off is because could potentially be dirt on there. I know I've had many times where I did not, and there was dirt or lint that was on my heating element, and I've actually burned that onto my mug, making me having to redo my mugs because there was lint or dirt that is very, very prominent on my mug. Make sure you clean off your heating element every time you use your mug. That will save you lots of time and also from remaking your mugs. Number 3 of our 5 things is, when you put your image onto your mug, make sure you're using that straight edge of your image to line it up with your mug. Before I knew about the straight edge, I would struggle so much with my image, and I would burn my image onto my mug and it would come out looking crooked or lopsided. So that straight edge of the image on the paper definitely will help you save lots of time with making sure your image is lined up with the mug. Number 4 of our 5 things. So number 4 is, after you put your image onto it, put a blank sheet of paper on the other side to cover that empty side that doesn't have the image. It prevents any lint or dirt from burning onto your mug. When you put the blank sheet of paper on the other side, it actually covers it up, not expose it to whatever that's on your heating element. So number 5 is something that's so small and tedious, but it actually saved me lots of time. Make sure you get a tape dispenser for your heat tape. That tape dispenser for your heat tape would definitely save you lots of time and headache. Before I had my tape dispenser, I would struggle with the heat tape because the heat tape is a lot smaller than your packing tape, and so it's just more frustrating. The struggling with trying to find where the last piece of tape was being used, and just lots of frustration. Okay guys, so that is the 5 things I wish I knew before I started my online coffee mug business that would have saved me lots of time, headaches, and mistakes. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to our channel, because mugs are all that we do, and I will see you guys in the next video.